Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. Hope you guys are doing well. And I wanted to cut this quick video because there is a training that's going to be happening this Wednesday, June 17th. Now, of course, if you're watching this video, after June 17th, then of course that training has already taken place. But I want to invite you out to this training, and it's held by one of my favorite communities, My System Pro. And on this training, the CEO, MLST CEO and co-founder Brian Finale, my good friend Brian Finale, I want to say, he's going to be doing a training on how you can grow your email list and how you can really nurture that email list. So that email list will give you customers, sales, and signups to whatever your business that you're trying to build, whether it be affiliate marketing or network marketing or direct sales, whatever kind of business that you're trying to business, how you can actually use an email list to grow that business. So I've actually been, growing a list for many years. And I think for me, having a list that you can use to grow your business, that you can generate traffic and that you can generate sales from, is probably the most important thing that you can have for your business, no matter what kind of business that you're in. Because again, and I always say this, if you can think about the big businesses like your Walmart or your Targets or just any kind of huge business, they have a list. They have a database of people that like their services, that like their products, that want to hear from them because they want to know what the latest sale, they want to know the latest event going on, they want to know the latest thingamajig or whatever it may be. So having a list is so important. And so if you do want to learn how to grow your list, so it gives you customers, sales, and signups for your specific business, no matter which time, definitely be on this webinar. It's a live training. It's at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As always, I will leave a link at the bottom. Also, I do want to remind you, if this is your first time on my channel, I do want to say welcome. Thank you. I appreciate you for watching my video, for coming to my channel, and hope that you find some value in the over 200 videos that I have on this channel. Let me know if it helps. If you find something on my video, comment, let me know if it helped you in your business. But again, I will leave a link at the bottom for this particular live webinar. Again, subscribe to my channel, so that you get any new videos that I do put out. Also, like, share, if you do feel that someone else can get value from this video to attend this training to help them build their business. The great thing I like about the guys over at MLSP is that the trainings are neutral, so it's not promoting, one specific company or business. It's just good training that you can apply to your own business. So whether you're in another network marketing company different from the hundreds of other network marketing companies out there, you can still find this training useful to help you build your business. Whether you're an affiliate marketer for, of the thousands of affiliate marketing companies out there, you can still use this training to help build your business. So again, that's it. I won't make this long. Just as this is one of my favorite topics, is being able to build a list and being able to grow that list and being able to create your own traffic from that list, because you have a list that knows you, that likes you, and that trusts you. All right, guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will see you on the next video. God bless. Talk to you soon. Peace.